Kiriam, Kinong Barang, Beribalang Ipanya Jumlay, Kiblawan Mansintah, Kagamas Koy. Kanilay si Berpang, Naglantakan Jalan Yang Pancuci, Hagabagian Lang Sisisnem, Kung Ipanya Jumlay, Jomali Jalan Yang Jumlay, Balbali Yoblay, Panirot Pandorong Yu, Hakayu Karis Koy. Hagabagian Masukoy, Gidway Yoblay, Nagkukudo, Jalan Yang Jumlay, Yaya Jumlay, Yagilong Kiriam Parang, Panibalang Ipanya Jumlay. Gidway Masukoy, Oblay Kukudo, Jalan Jumlay, Ikinong Susyari, Ikinong Mikman, Badyabaro, Ki Nong Susam Jalan Jumlay, Oblay Kadaran ng Kukudo, Iki, Badyabaro, Jalan Jumlay. Dagdag Jumlay, Kiriam Jumlay, Bataway, Masukoy, Ngipin dari Manot Jumlay, Pagpupuro ng Pom, Pagpapagalitan kami dari Sisi Jumlay, Kenapa kami mengenai penelitian yang ada di Jumaya Kukudo.
Baru Yesus ulalik sa Jerusalem. Hakan tempel ulala Ibriu ibayagi masih batalang batparo. Bat ibayape isa tiga. Bat yasam lagi ini. Ulasna sabuk italai paulabe yagi baro dengan tempel batalang batmasi. Ulatnya pasyai yagi bisa jong inomipe. Paula penkelang Hongkong yang kini jongki. Paula orang haju bagi paru rapat yang kini nane. Pimpin pelong yang kini paja kecakayo. Kisenran jong yang mau yang kabalho. Kecil sirahan yang kini jome kan mamdu yang. Kecil yang orang Kai kadang medon berpingi, medon pun berdiri yang kini. Yesus mulai coba iki. Hampir perang yang kini ke tempel, perampok lain si dan penian yang ikan. Nanta tujuh kilawang, kalau simpor, sauhu Jerusalem, bantai yang kini ke tempel. Mebat penian yang kapal lain si. Henry ulah keren siapang ke tempel jabanet ju. Kumca abala pemipat yunu ni kaya. Kisanan ju lakan mau wala dem ong yakani. Tikilangit ke jupo badikatin ke bau Yesus ulah keren. Kabasal jomprang Hajiya
Most Reverend Victor Leno, Reverend Father Richard Manjal, and Father Pius Sedap, Episcopal Vigas, Father James Lana Chancellor, Father Presidio, Financial Administrator, Father Restamanian, the Parish Secretary Parish, Ministers, members of the State Legislative Assembly and the District Council, provincials, major superiors, your fathers, sisters, brothers, and my dear people of God. Today, we begin the 9-year journey towards the year 2034, which will be the centenary year of the elevation of Shillong to the status of a diocese in the year 1934. And the 4th-year journey towards the Diamond Jubilee of Shillong, being elevated as an archdiocese, which will be celebrated in the year 2029. In these years, we recognize that as a community, we have been transformed into becoming God's temple, as we heard in the second reading. The molding of our community into becoming a living temple of God has been the fruit of the collective endeavor and the spirit of communion built upon the foundation laid by generation of faithful servants of the gospel. We truly recognize what St. Paul further says that there have been those who laid the foundation and others building upon that foundation. In this long history, we gratefully acknowledge and the profound legacy of faith, hard work, and dedication of countless individuals who built us to become the living temple of God and the dwelling place of the Holy Spirit as a community, as individuals, and as families. At different levels of our existence, we are transformed to be a living temple, a place where God's presence dwells, where His peace reigns, and His light shines. As God's temple and the dwelling place of the Holy Spirit, we are preserved in our sanctity, we are kept faithful, and we are strengthened to live our call to holiness because of the one foundation, who is Christ, as reminded by St. Paul in the second reading. Our celebration of the Holy Eucharist Day is centered towards Christ, who is our one foundation. Our faith tells us that it is from the side of Christ, the true temple, flowed blood and water. John chapter 19, verse 34. Symbols of the Eucharist and baptism. From Him, the new temple, flows the life-giving stream of salvation. Christ, who is present in the Holy Eucharist, is the life-giving water flowing beneath the threshold of the temple of God. He is the water that empties itself into the sea of our humanity. He is the water that makes fresh the salt waters of our human bitterness and corruption, dissolution and barrenness. He is the water that makes us bear fruit of every kind. When we receive Christ's Holy Eucharist, and particularly today, when we carry the Eucharist through our streets, the vision of Prophet Ezekiel is brought to life again. The living water flows from the heart of the temple, Jesus in the Eucharist, bringing renewal and life to our families, our parishes, our city, and our land. Makhodini maro malong katakawapa, kagachitsa bajay ay chomblay, kabatul ng bajuki, syashwaypat, ng bagigam mamha, ng bagigam misri, barkhamsam, tagamay kasyan, ng ibadok ni batoy, bagi masyasin ng pwede. Kagachitsa mahal ng takasi, Paulo sa pagkamaya ni, bagilong katabal sa kumlay, babawan siya mapun, usyang usapan ni. Kaya para makanya ng ikatid, kabalan sipon-sipon na kanantaan siya. Ublay yung usa, tahali yung malibalas na ng imam. Anday hagi yung ay ibalayo yung mabaptisma ng ko. Kabalan, kaday kipayo yung ay, balatay niya ka ng ribas heaven, paday yung try ni Jesus. Uparo sa pagkamayan ni, para na uno, upagpagsiya ka niya katapal sa ublay sa pagkati mo. Kanina ba pagkamayan ni, yung kapuram ni kita sa pasyulong tapal ublay. Ngiday mo kapuram nila kasyong naman, kamansin, pangiday mo kapuram ni ko. Gilang yung kapardora kamansyong ublay, gimday mo pagkati nila ni, para kalawin niyan manon niyan. Ngayon mga kapatay, hakapakuan kiyay, ipinagkap, pag-ibratang, use as true culture. Ngiday mo itamaw, pagkalawin niyan manon niyan sugi, magachikip sugi, tapnay punta. Kada ikaw wala si Supa, nagsasabi ng Diyos. Ngiday, pagkurang ka nakachokachikip, na marginay ka sa pagkachokachikip. Tungin ang punta sila kachokachikip, manilachikip sa kiwaypat. Dapat mau, memakiro nilang katapal jawaban siya pagkuhin. Hakim Yesus pun kemudian mulai kawan manusia bangsa lagi. Sebenarnya saya Yesus pun kita berdoa. Dan marah yang mulai kemudian mata hakim Yesus. Jadi pun dia yang berproses kamdai tak disul siruai nak cituai. Kadai udah kecingin, baka cingin ke bami nak dono cuki, baka cingin heaven sin cuki, kong kita tercobai. Hal pasal nak kasi, uji suruh heaven takul Jerusalem. Berbeno, yang itu kiba berkelah yang ingin jumpa cuku, kong kita kayo. Dah kamu uang, hapat perai yang takul, barang lain singan selesai dia. Dagan dia Yesus tahu, yang tempal kepada yang bertuju. Dagan dia Yesus upati, bagi tempal Yesusya kami melatih lagi mau, andai kena kebetu Kristus berlebihan. Bahawa bagi mulia yang Kristus yang Kristus berbud, ngilang lebih kebet pada Kristus. Apa?
Oblay, Beulumba Katan Chukabalang ini Slapate, Melawan Pau Pagi, yang Jerusalem Belay, Joy Pan, Pada Jiyo Batan, Jiyo Sasapen, Menulawi Tampal Jokaji, Chuti, Pada Romangi, Shaka 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 Kuburam Chuti, Daw Resu,